Hello dear viewers, today I have published another video related to voice sense. I have already published my another video for the students, those who are going to sit for the exam and those who want to learn voice sense, active into passive and passive into active. I hope that my video will be helpful to them. Let us discuss the sentences active into passive and passive into active. Number 91. The country is going to be locked down by our Prime Minister. The country is going to be locked down by our Prime Minister. Active. It is passive voice. How we can identify this sentence is passive voice? The country is going to plus be plus past participle of main verb. So it is passive voice. In order to change this sentence into active voice, subject will be object and object will be subject. Okay. How? Our Prime Minister is going to lock down the country. What will be the active voice? Our Prime Minister is going to lock down the country. Going to verb. I have already highlighted going to verb. Going to verb. If there is going to verb in the sentence, we can change it passive or passive into active. If we want to make it passive, there will be going to plus be plus past participle of main verb. Okay. Next number. Don't or do not neglect the beggar. What will be? It is imperative sentence. So there will be let plus be plus past participle of main verb. We must know if there is imperative sentence. In order to change it into passive, we must use let. Do not, let not. Let not the beggar be neglected. What will be the passive voice? Let not the beggar be neglected. Okay. Next number. Number 93. Who should not ill-treat you? What will be? Who should not ill-treat you? Here, who is subject, should not ill-treat is verb, and you is object. So, should not ill-treat, verb phrase, and there is modal verb should. So, there will be be. If there is should not be, should be, will be, would not be, would be, must be, must not be, may be, may not be, might be, might not be, plus past participle of main verb. Here main verb is ill-treat. So what will be the passive voice? By whom, who, subject, it will be object. Object by whom. Here who is subject, so it will be by whom. Because as it is interrogative sentence, the interrogative pronoun will be placed at first by plus objective case of who nominative case, objective case, whom, by whom. So by whom should you not be ill-treated? What will be? By whom should you not be ill-treated? Okay. Next number. 94. Do not disconnect your computer with internet. Passive voice. Do not, let not. I have already discussed before. 92. Same. Do not disconnect your computer with internet. What will be? Let not your computer object, let not your computer be disconnected with internet. With internet is prepositional phrase, it will not be subject. Subject, your computer will be subject. Okay. What will be? Do not, let not. Subject, your computer. Be disconnected. Disconnected with internet. Let not your computer be disconnected with internet. Okay. Next number. 95. Let not the poor be looked down upon. Passive voice. Let not be plus past participle of main verb. It is passive voice. So active voice, how we can change it into active voice? Let not, do not. If there is let not, there will be do not. If there is do not, there will be let not. Okay. Let not the poor be looked down upon. Do not look down upon the poor. What will be? Look down upon. It is phrasal verb. Look down upon. Whole portion is phrasal verb. So what will be? Let not, do not. Do not look down upon the poor. Next, 96. Coronavirus is dangerous when it is seemed. It is passive voice. Active, seemed, quasi-passive verb. Quasi-passive means semi-passive, half-passive. So, if you want to change it as passive voice, no, it is passive voice. We want to change it active voice. How we can change it active voice? Coronavirus will not be changed as it is factative verb seem, so subject will not be changed. Coronavirus seems dangerous. Okay, what will be? Coronavirus seems dangerous. I have already discussed about quasi-passive verb before through my another video, so you can find out and hear my lecture. It will be helpful to you. Next, 97. Let your hands be washed with hand sanitizer. Let your hands be washed with hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Active voice. Let your hands be washed with hand sanitizer. Active voice. What will be active voice? Let your hands be plus past participle main verb. It is passive voice. So if you want to change it active voice, there let will be omitted. So wash your hands with hand sanitizer. What will be? Wash your hands with hand sanitizer. Okay. Hand sanitizer means anti-germ medicine. Let your hands be washed with hand sanitizer. What will be active voice? Wash your hands with hand sanitizer. Okay. Next number 98. Let coronavirus be prevented in a body. In a body is idiom phrase. So it will not be subject. Let coronavirus be prevented in a body. Let will be omitted because it is imperative sentence and passive voice. So if you want to change it active voice, let will be omitted. Coronavirus, let coronavirus be prevented in a body. Prevent verb. So prevent coronavirus in a body. Prevent coronavirus in a body. Okay. Next number 99. English is spoken by the English. What will be? Present indefinite tense, is will be omitted, and present indefinite tense, a spoken verb, present form, speak. So the English speak English. What will be active voice? The English speak English. Okay, next number 100. Vaccine against coronavirus must be invented by us. Passive voice. So what will be active voice? We must invent vaccine against coronavirus. What will be? We must invent vaccine against coronavirus. Okay. So you all are requested and advised to follow my lecture, and you must read again and again. I hope that if you practice at home these sentences, I hope that you will be benefited, and these sentences will be helpful to you, and you will be experienced in case of vaccines. Okay, during this corona period and school is closed and class is off, so this video will be helpful to you. Needs no telling. No more today. Thank you all.